country support.
Yes, support Nigeria for Moha. According to Croy, one can one because I Nigeria for Moha, must say, Ghana say Ghana price to be free education, free say. Maybe no, I was adding to now. I'm on for a book. I go for the chisa. Maybe say, why wouldn't you say a propaganda? Maybe I will be saying on the show because between two parties, we are crown because one, cover false evidence. Or present false evidence. So I say they say no move follow. And yes, idea. All these are all like baseless. Like propaganda baseless. Evidence are providing in false. Me shock every day la. Most of this me free. I'm to me friend. But me confirm evidence be also confirm. O confirm they all can who know. Since the American South say, was me because book we page say. Me between that time who Kevin Taylor, what me doing? I mean, no concert party no yo. Sometimes like me friend na me say like some kind of concert party. Kwala go be. You know, but o say omo like how do you say na omo ni me hwe no. Omo na dey here mu follow omo. Say whatever. So what I say. So let me who say like omo forget omo na omo ni na enye eduma wo so ye because next election Baumia kai
Baumia say Baumia
kai ye na
the wise men of our time no and anko mu use nyansa omu use nimdie na omu claim so they have no and anko they bua Ghana and also omu they bua omu busia no omu they bua omu community anka Ghana konenim. You know my problem with Ghanaian elites, they only know how to talk. Ghana for elites no omu mako school no the omini mane kasa chop it. Ya no de what the chance na man or kohwa or yeah worse than the first person that was there. And now no power we me see me bu afu. Now me bu afu because me person obi ara wo or katechie free fa no number na ni page tag no. Captain Smart tag no. Avram Ben-Moshe tag no. I'm telling you this because I know what I just saw. And now no pa ma share video bi na me bofu na afu me just say me ho tie me no. I had to come for 30 minutes and to lay certain things straight. Then no other than say me attack sa kwasiafo free fan Captain Smart ne say Jimmy for we no other than me attacking them now, I'm going to attack the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Ghana for no be where Jimmy Toto. Ghana for no be mama kwai ma yedemo say yedemo Jimmy. Ghana for mama mo ho kwan Emma NDC MPP mempe na nado asem mempe mahama asem mempe si edun kete asem mempe ba omi asem no mama enu na fama dwene mankwasiafo bi afase edi milk Ghana dry, and it pains me. You understand? It pains my heart. Say Ghana need to ho na ni nua Ghana ni abeka asem akire no na asem obeka kire no o te opefe onim se enyampa. Now, so I say me when people, even those saying I'm Panamediadi. Me when this, even those saying I'm Panamediadi, Namadia propaganda. But in any case, yeah, propaganda, all these years. Etusumu propaganda secretary, now they are dealing now. Where did it reach us? Where did we go? Where did we get to? Ghanaians, don't be stupid. The people of Ghana, do not be stupid. We have had A+ first regime. Don't allow a second A+ in our body of politics again. Ghana for we have allowed A+ Jimmy part 1. Mama another Jimmy for be part 2. Bio mama former Jimmy no mujin so mo and mama that Ghanaian citizen. And that minute Sankwasia for me and Sawi stupid fool dumb for we. Avam Jimmy Moshe, Avan Bayfo Moshe, as Susman, 2 mu ye epemogentino, on Jimmy Nancy Bia, it took me a while, but your time will come. Avram Foolish Moshe. Yes, my name is Felix Apia. I'm calling you. And I'm not calling you for fame. But I'm calling you to tell you, say, that your so-called common sense is the dumbest sense that can ever be found. Are you listening to me? You, this stupid Avram Ben Moshe, your stupidity, you cry the one who Jimmy and Boro Bio Gina platform. So. But it is sad, say, when you have few tricks be, as if you care about Ghana, as if you say Ghana Koswama, and I would they say Ghana. They be able to pay the someone, and now certain people who me chinti. No man can tell me so boy any day Jano, boy any day Jano. They be asked Steve, yes or be ya me pay so me jinem. No man can say there be. But my who say Jimmy na open say with Jimmy Ghana for. About stupid Moshe. Avram Ben why Jimmy Nikwasi and Penny Bear. I'm telling you this. If you are a man, motherfucker, go take care of your stupid kids. That's one. Utie, Avram stupid Ben Moshe.
Yebu bini kasetia do mama atake. But enkrani di na nado atem no. Musi na nado abanye. Wo freedom fighter mu a wote na nado abanye bia wo kwasia. Mami ni matem kakra. Wo twa freedom fighter wote na nado abanye wo chimi aboa. Na nado tam na egu asphalt. Na nado tam ne ye kra no mapaba Ghana ambulance. Na nado tam na etua allowance. Kwasia for doctor for construct sa. What is na nado ba president doctor bia construct da. NDC wa ban so the bia doctor for construct. What is say doctor for construct da? What is say doctor for Ghana doctors are construct da? If it's na nado be dia kunya. Mama ewo power. Teachers construct, doctors construct, obia construct. Muchimi mo nanwene. Na munyasa mo ne atomo ayese mu na nado aban fi wo ye dan year of return na mo gu hu fi. Nkofo bi nim se na nado tam. Year of return bi ba ma obi fa ne bag so oba Ghana. NDC ma entime year of return. Wo ye kura anyefe. Wo ye kura na wo ma. I tell you, and now buy more companies ever. BMW, Range Rover. And I walk your brabo. What for Obama in this in a shower brabo? A crona film no. What for Obama, Jomama by a hot to say heaven. CSF now by Mushe, dear children. What free enough, on a so free him. What for Obama in this for how many years? Shall crona film no shana brabo. As a mono at social media. You guys think say you people you can talk wow. Me man what you make my catch up 5 hours. Make my catch up from morning to 6 o'clock. They me and you. Remember, this a moment man watch it. Entimu criticize you for Abaya. No obi can ya kufu ado na entimu no ho here. Freedom fighters for minim samo agenda kutam say. Jamama baba power, jamama do timi chade. Na omo mu abrochire. We freedom fighters. Mumu bi mwanya opportunity. Eyi mu cars free. Car na wo pa bi achiwa Ghana no. Car na wo pa bi achiwa Ghana na. Bia obi akoyi ka wuntimi nyika. Wunya ska betua duty. Ukura house emfese Ghana. A opese don mama bana wo de kasa wo na aye freedom fighter. Wo na wo kasa ma Ghana. Ma Ghana don mama 4 years entimi nya Ghana you. NDC ma don mama ba 4 years ya. They can never change Ghana. And I quote, they can never change Ghana. It's move you to Rubia. Moya Mose, money freedom fighters, and Mokwaji Ghana. No. Stop your nonsense. We know how Ghana was. And we know who is changing Ghana. Nobody is stupid. Nobody is. Yanyam Kurasa, the Mumubino, Muyam Kurasa for Kwasia Fona. Musibudi Bemusha, Chintimuya freedom fighters. Muya CSF. Kwasia. Me ma me awo me. Mu tagi wo mu wate. Me ma me awo me me